So Dmitry, we're here at Oxagile in Minsk, Belarus. I've had a wonderful trip to come here and had a great time at the IT Spring Conference. You're one of the founders and CEO of Oxagile. How did you start the company? What's your sort of mission of the company?
The company was started more than 7 years ago. It will be 8 years this year.
Uh-huh.
And it was actually a good chance to start a company when Sergey, my partner, came to me and said, you know, Dmitry, we've worked together for a couple of years, 5 years already, and I trust you. I have a customer. What should I do with that? I said, you have a customer? Why didn't you tell me before that? Let's start the company. So that was a good way to start the company, because we already have the customer, minimal investments.
Right.
We were programmers ourselves. We had a team we worked before with 20 talented programmers. So we used that team to base the Oxagile. And since that, we started to grow, and it helped us being quite successful company nowadays.
That's right, because you have over like 90, almost 100 people right now, right?
Correct.
Yeah. And where did the name Oxagile come from?
Actually, when my wife was learning English language, and at the same time, in the same room, I was thinking about what's the name? We should have something very different from others.
Okay.
Not as like many companies like Infosys, Infotech, or stuff like that.
Right.
So I was thinking about that, and she was learning her words, English words, and one of the words was ox. I asked her, what is ox? I didn't know that word at the time. She explained that ox is the same as bull.
Yeah.
Okay, I thought bull is something very strong, powerful, but at the same time we are using agile methodologies. And what if something strong and powerful would be combined with agile? That would be perfect, I guess. And I was trying to play with the words. As I've searched for the domain name, it was available. So I liked that name, and I said to my partners that, yeah, that will be the name for our company.
Interesting.
The only issue is that it's not very well understood by native speakers.
Right.
After we explain it, it goes well.
Yeah. I guess Yak Agile didn't make the list as an option. It would be another interesting name. But it is a unique name, and I think I think having Agile in there really conveys an important aspect of your business, because you tend to focus on Agile development, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah, and a lot of your work has been with startup companies. So where did the inspiration for that come from?
Actually, it came from. I know that United States is a place where the ecosystem for startups is very well developed.
Yeah.
The mentality of United States startups, United States entrepreneurs, and European is different. United States companies, United States entrepreneurs, they are more dare to risk. They are okay to fail, right? They can fail and then stand up and go and make another startup. So I like this. I like this spirit. I like this power. I like this inspiration to move forward. And when we were working with our first customer within Oxagile, it wasn't a startup, but it was a young company. And everything was very agile at that point. You know, when the company is young, you have to set up the processes, you have to change everything on the fly and stuff like that. And starting from that point, we realized that we like this atmosphere.
Yeah.
So we would like to work with such kind of companies, and we managed to do so actually. That after that project, the new customers were coming mostly by referrals.
Right.
Yeah, and there were different startups. One of them was Admiral company, which was founded by Brian Adams and his partners, and he trusted us because he knew we worked with startups before.
Yeah.
And finally, this company was successful. You know, it was successfully sold to Google.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.